This?
Then, like this. How many columns and rows you need?
Actually, we need a 2 by 2 table.
Yeah.
Right, for the first two questions. After that, we have to use we have to use a table with more columns.
Then you have more columns. Yeah, I can do that. It's easy to do that. But ma'am, I can't express that in words.
Mehran, can you share your screen and show me how to do it?
Yes.
Like, because I went to the table, I
can't share while ma'am is also sharing this.
Shobna ma'am, can you stop sharing for a minute?
I'm giving access to Mehran, okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't share the screen if while you are also sharing the screen.
That's what, dear. I'm going to give you the access so you can share now, okay? Am I sounding clear, Mehran?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you the access of sharing the screen. So you're going to teach her how to do it, okay? Rather than
I
me.
made the top two, but then the bottom has more columns than the top, and that's where the problem is, right? For me, that's the problem. Otherwise, I would have.
Mehran, you can do it now. Yeah.
So I have to go to insert, table. Then split cells. 1 minute.
Welcome, Raj. Good afternoon. Raj, good afternoon.
And it turns into 2 cells.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, I
thanks.
wanted
Thanks,
to
Miranda.
say.
I'll do it now.
If one of
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vraj. They are learning how to do a table, Vraj. If you don't know, you can join them. Otherwise, today's session is going to be about sharing your questions along with your teacher. Last week, we learned how to frame questions. So this week, all of you need to share your questions with the teacher. Okay, Vraj, get your questions. And Mehran, share your screen. Mehran, how to merge. Yeah, Mehran, share your screen, your Word document. Do that.
1 minute.
That will show. Yeah, Dhyan.
Ma'am, I have sent it you in info.
I'll check that. I'm checking it right away.
From Kavita Patel.
Yeah, dear, I'm checking it right away.
Ma'am, should I share the screen?
Dhyan, keep your questions ready as well. Along with you, I will check your mail as well. Okay? Take out your questions and keep it ready, Dhyan. If you have a printer, take out your questions and keep it ready. Your hard copy. Yeah. Where's your screen, Mehran? I'm waiting.
Ma'am, should I start? Okay.
Yeah, share. We are waiting for you.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to.
See, already Mehran has started doing it. Yeah. I'm going on mute. Only children, you will be discussing amongst yourselves. What has to be done today's class?
We have to complete the questionnaire.
Questionnaire, yeah.
Ma'am, actually.
See, already they started writing. Vraj, where's yours? Vraj, I haven't received your assignments also, Vraj. Not even one. Not even one of your assignment. The
Ma'am,
SAT.
actually, ma'am, there is a problem in my mother's Gmail and the. Ma'am, I have sent my all assignments, but you have not received.
Oh, So which email?
Raj, you must be sending it at like on info.eggheads.com. It should be sent at info.eggheads.edu.com.
Very good. Chat it. Put it on the chat,
Yes.
Mehran. Mehran, put it on the chat. Swasti or Mehran, who goes first? Put the email ID correctly from Vraj. Mehran, you continue doing the questionnaire for others. You're
And
going to
ma'am, my video file is much big.
Yeah, see, they has already sent. They is quite fast. No, they. Against edu.com. They. Against.
Oh.
Put the correct one. They.
Okay, ma'am.
So you're going to discuss amongst yourselves, children. See, very nicely he has inserted. Swasti, are you able to see? He has divided the columns now. How did he do that? Ask him.
You have to right click on the cell and it will post itself.
Word. Where is Dhyan? Still sending the mail?
No.
Where are you?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I'm making the table.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, I have sent it whole you have sent it.
Hey, Mehran, you're not writing
Ma'am,
your
do we
question. You're
also
just
have to make this
copying there.
table?
Yeah, the main form I'm
You cannot copy the questions, Vraj. Only the template you can copy. Another 3 more minutes. We go with the set.
Ma'am, we can write that blank sheet in Excel also.
Yes, you can do it. Yes, I leave the preference to you. Very good. You are aligning it too. Very good, Mehra. Yeah. Jay is writing or typing?
Ma'am, you can see I have sent it. Mail.
Writing. Okay. Get your questions ready. Good. I will check, Dhyan. I will check. But meanwhile, you keep your questions ready. Because today's session, you're going to present it in front of all of us. Vraj, your questions also. Start writing. Last week, I told you how to frame questions.
Ma'am,
Interaction with
there is a problem with me.
What happened?
Ma'am, I got an email with the questions, so I wrote those instead of making my own questions.
No problem. Now you can frame. That's why I'm giving you time. You can discuss with your friends and start framing questions.
Okay.
Do it fast. Your friends are there. Arjun has joined. Good. So we have one more who's going to help all of us. Hi Arjun. Good afternoon. Arjun, are you there? I think all of you are busy framing questions. Dhyan also. Good. Dhyan, if you want to add some more questions, you can add. Okay. Freedom, then and now. Where's your heading? Mehran, your heading. I told you where to add your heading. Pull the table down, Mehran. Yeah, there you add your heading. Good. Yes. Are you going to put it in the header, Mehran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Questionnaire, double N. Arjun, are you there? I'm unable to see.
In body part, we can style also, no?
Interaction with grandparents.
I can make this in.
And what's your title? Grandparents, D. Hi, Arjun. Arjun, are you there? Okay, audio and video is not working. Okay. So I think, Arjun, you need to exit and come back again, Arjun. Then it will be fine. Sometimes it happens. I think you're able to hear me, but you're unable to reply. So exit and join back, Arjun. Good. Children are independent now. Raj, start framing yours. Otherwise, you can start talking to them. Who's going to interact with Vraj to help him frame questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Day is writing on his own, is it? Okay. But still you can interact, no? Day, what kind of questions?
Ma'am, these last questions are with
Basically, I am writing something. Your questions will revolve only around this. Freedom of expression,
ma'am,
freedom,
Ma'am, do we have to write this in Word document?
Word or Excel, your wish. Freedom of thoughts, freedom of choice,
Okay.
or freedom to choose.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I have to talk to my grandparents because Jan has talked, so he knows. But the some part of I have to talk to my grandparents.
Okay, okay. Speak to them. Speak to them and send the video. Okay. Now another 5 minutes time I'm going to give all of you. Freedom of expression. Your questions will be only around these. Freedom of expression, freedom of thoughts in their days. Then later you can analyze in your days. So what is the question will go to your grandparents in their days, you should write the question. Were you given a chance to choose your profession? Did you go out? Your questions will be like that. So there are 5. Freedom of expression, freedom of thoughts, freedom to choose, freedom to make mistakes, freedom to believe in you. So your questions will revolve around these 5. Now start framing your questions. Arjun has joined. Arjun, is your audio now okay? Arjun, good afternoon. Arjun. Another 2 more minutes. We'll full-fledgedly begin our session. Or you want some more time?
Ma'am, I'll require at least 10 more minutes.
Okay, okay. Then we will start with a prayer and our pledge. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a Discord account, so we in Discord we can talk together. If Arjun have, so Arjun can tell me and I speak to.
What is that? What account is that?
Discord. Discord account.
Okay, I am not familiar with that. But right now you all can discuss in this meeting now. Okay, we are on the Zoom meeting. So right here you can discuss.
Ma'am, in Discord we can chat also and voice call also.
Okay, no problem. But right now you concentrate here. They minimum 15 questions. Arjun, are you there? Let me chat with Arjun. He's texting something. Okay. Check your connection, Arjun. Otherwise, you won't be able to. Prepare your questionnaire. where you will interact with your grandparents. I can't see all of you discussing. Are you all doing it individually?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Meheran, do not copy the questions on the reference sheet. Frame your own questions.
I'm not copying that.
Okay, okay. Just,
These are my own questions, ma'am.
no, just keeping you informed. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have Excel, but it is not signing, and I don't know.
What
Account.
did? What happened there?
I have Excel download, but I don't have its account. I don't have account.
Okay. So,
And I don't know means another account.
okay. Listen now. To open a Gmail, to open a Word document. That's what you mean?
Ma'am, I'm doing in Excel.
You're doing it on Excel, okay. Then do it on Word. See, Mehran is teaching you simultaneously. That's why I told you start conversing with each other. You unmute your video, Dey and Dhyan. I'm unable to see you.
I don't
Ma'am, I am
have
also doing in. Ma'am, I am also doing in the Excel.
No problem, Raj. No problem. Whichever you're comfortable. But basically, you should have one table and few questions as well.
Ma'am, I don't have Word in my desktop or computer.
Okay, then draw it. Draw it on a notebook. Draw it in a notebook. Take a scale and pencil. Okay.
I can do with Dhyan.
With Dhyan, along with Dhyan.
Yes.
Not required, not required. Take out your book and pencil. Draw it there. You're going to only present it to me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't forget your question mark. Did you have the freedom to raise your voice against your elders' decisions? Very good, Mera. Yeah. Swasti is also doing. Braj is also doing. Okay. I can't see Dhyan. Dhyan, are you there with your questions ready? Minimum 15. Also your general questions, Dhyan. Arjun, are you okay now? Is your network fine? Yeah, you're joining. I know. I can see you. You're there on 2 systems. That's why I'm calling out. Can you hear me, Arjun? Say yes or no. Arjun, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Good. Okay, you're back. How are you? Long time since I saw you.
I'm fine, ma'am.
What happened, Arjun? Last week I didn't see you.
Ma'am, I was at my relative's house.
Okay, fine. Okay, Arjun, right now we are supposed to frame questions where we are going to use those questions to interact with our we are going to use some questions. We are going to use these questions to interact with our grandparents. Okay. Mehran has already started framing questions. Dhyan has already finished completing his assignment. They is doing it. Braj is
Ma'am.
doing it.
And ma'am, I have extra questions also. I have written in last time.
Ma'am,
This.
Very good. Yeah,
I
sir.
have extra
I
questions
only
also.
have 5
And I
questions
answer
with 3
No, no.
sub questions in question 3.
That's why I'm telling you, under each heading, no, Swasti, like say freedom to express. Under that, frame 3 questions. Then freedom to choose, frame 3 questions. Then you will get almost 15 questions. That's
Ma'am,
why,
right now I have only taken for freedom to choose, ma'am.
no, take all the 5. That's why we discussed on all the 5, isn't it? Yes
Okay,
or no?
ma'am.
That's why I'm
Ma'am,
giving
I'm
you a
practicing
chance.
7 questions.
That's why
Ma'am,
I'm giving a chance to interact with your friends. Start interacting. Then you're.
ma'am, so can I get the rest of the questions tomorrow?
No, tomorrow. Now you start interacting. That's why I'm giving time along with your friends. So start framing questions. Who's going to brief? Dhyan,
Ma'am,
can you tell Arjun and Swasti they are getting stuck somewhere? So Mehran, what is that the first step you're going to do? The first step will be briefed by Mehran. Then the type of questions by Dhyan. Okay. How do we go about? Wait, Dhyan, wait. Mehran's goes first. Yeah, Mehran.
Okay.
the first step will be to write the heading. After that, you
What
have
goes
to
on the
go to
heading?
insert and insert a table.
Mehran, what goes on the heading?
Question is interaction with grandparents,
Make a note of it, Arjun.
freedom then and now.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down. Wait for them to write. Mehran, first wait for them to write it down. Dhyan, I hope even your questionnaire has the heading in the same format. Questionnaire, interaction with grandparent,
Don't have.
freedom, then
Ma'am,
and
this
now.
is Mac, so ma'am, this is Mac, so Mac don't allow like Microsoft things. So I have written in book.
No problem. In the book, then it's much easier. Book we can keep altering, isn't it? Altering.
Yes, ma'am. All this that you have made, I have printed and I have written and I have sent it. But new questions I have found.
No problem, Dhyan. That's why today we are here. Wherever we have some inclusions, deletions, we will do it today. This is not the final day, isn't it? So do your inclusions now. Take out that hard copy wherever you have written it. Open it. Open that page. On top of it, write questionnaire. See, even I am taking a fresh page. I have my questionnaires here, but if at all I have missed out something, I am going to mark it on my fresh page.
Ma'am, can I pause sharing for 1 minute?
Yeah, sure.
I have to create a folder in which I will have to save this.
1 second. Go with the second step.
The second step is to go to insert and make a table.
What is the purpose of the table?
To divide
So that you can easily express all the details and the question.
Yeah, so that we can express our questions there. So what's your first question, which will be mandatory in all your papers?
Where were you born?
Who was born? That wasn't the question.
Our grandparents.
Name of your grandparent. That's the first question, isn't it?
Yes. In top of that, I have.
Above the table.
Last I have seen that.
Very good. Now he's inserting. Good, Mehran. You're correcting it. Yes. Name of your grandparent. Correct. Totally, how many sheets of this we should have?
I made only 7.
No. How many sheets? How many questionnaires are we supposed to have? Same typical questions, but how many sheets typically? How many grandparents should we interact?
3 minimum.
Who are they? Dhyan, who are they?
I only
Our
have three
grandparent, our
grandparents.
grandmother, and our friends'
Father's
Our
grandparents,
grandparent,
mother's grandparent.
then our friends.
Even
not my mother's grandparent.
even if you are, see, I meant mother's grandparent means for you they are
The maternal
Grandparents'
grandparents.
father.
great grandparents, you call them. Okay, grandparents, father. So great grandparents. Very good, Dhyan. You got my question. Great grandparents, if they are there, so they would have been there during the freedom struggle. Very clearly, they will tell you.
Yes,
See,
ma'am, but I am
Ma'am,
not.
my great grandparent, my last great grandparent, died very recently.
you told me that. I know. Yeah.
Ma'am, my great grandparent died. 20.
Okay, they are not alive now. They are not alive. Okay, let's not get into that. Now, what you need to do is start framing your questions. Okay, Mehran, you wanted to save it. You can save it. Okay, Dhyan. Now, what is the third step? He told us you need to write the name of the grandparent. Where were they born?
Then
Then
we have to fill up.
fill
And
up what?
after that, there is question answer.
Based on what?
Our discussion.
No, I told you there are different kinds of freedom. So it will revolve only around those freedoms. So which freedom is that?
Choose.
Huh?
Choose.
I don't get you.
Choose.
Full freedom to choose. Freedom to express.
choose.
Who's typing that? They or Dhyan? Vraj, are you typing? The
Ma'am,
5 times?
what?
Arjun knows because last week
Excuse me,
Arjun
ma'am.
was Arjun was on leave. He didn't attend the session. So all the 5 different freedoms. Type it there. Who's going to type it? Go fast.
Ma'am, actually, I was not there when you discussed the freedoms.
That's why I'm giving it to you now, Arjun. They will
Oh,
tell
ma'am, I think
I'm
so.
Raj. I'm
Yes.
you were there, Vraj. Vraj was there. Only Arjun wasn't.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
See, Dia is already, Dia is really fast. Freedom of
Ma'am,
expression, thoughts, freedom to
ma'am,
choose.
Didn't join eggheads when you started the.
No. When I started with the
Mehran?
questionnaire, you were there, Vraj. That was only introduction. It was only introduction about freedom.
Yes.
But the
Who's
main
calling
thing,
me?
we discussed it last
Me,
week.
Arjun. Mehran?
Yeah.
How did you did that lines?
What line?
Bracket.
Yeah, you go and split the cells.
This line thing. That is the that underline thing. You have to
Yes.
press shift.
No, that insert thing.
Then,
Table.
minus.
Okay, table. Thanks.
Hey, Mehran. Mehran,
What?
were you actually in the table which ma'am had shown us? Never, occasionally, sometimes, often, and always they came in a separate cell. So you should be keeping another row in which you put all of that.
Freedom
Let's finish
to
up my table.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I'll show you.
Ma'am, what that called?
Yeah,
Means
but,
to in Hindi mistakes. Yes, mistakes. In mine, I
unmute.
so I have written to the fault or something.
Got it there? Vraj,
Yes.
Arjun, make a note of those 5.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
5 subtitles. Then only you will be able to frame 3 questions under each subtitle.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we write directly the question and the answer in yes or no?
Yeah, exactly. Once they see, for example, where you allowed to choose the subjects you wanted to study, and your grandparent says occasionally you need to put a tick over there. Occasionally tick. All the others will be a blank.
Or ma'am, can we do like first we write the question and downwards we write the answer like occasionally or yes or
No,
no
no, it's
or
already there. No, on your questionnaire. Put a tick there. Here you will only put a tick, Vraj. Okay,
okay.
you need not write. Inside the box, put a tick.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but I did like I wrote the whole thing yes, no, or occasionally or
No
so.
problem, no problem, no problem. This has to be there. Never, occasionally, sometimes should be there, which will be common for all the questions where Mehran is already written. Apart from that, we also have questions like they will elaborate on it. So those kind of questions also we discussed. I think you children, you'll have forgotten it. Okay, should we ask Mehran to still share the word here? Are you all referring it? Are you still seeing Arjun?
Should I start?
Ma'am, can I show you my template?
Yeah. So one by one. So Arjun, can we ask Mehran to present it for us? Shall we?
Ma'am,
They, Dhyan, ready? Vraj, ready? Are you all ready? If you all are ready, give me a thumbs up. So we start with the presentation now. Otherwise, we are going to run out of time. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have made the template, ma'am. I wanted to show you how I made the template.
But where are your questions? Be ready with your questions as well, Swasti. Keep the template aside
Ma'am,
now.
I only have 5 questions.
No. Start framing quickly. That's why I'm giving you time.
Okay,
5
ma'am.
into, yeah. 5 into 3 children. Now the time is already
Ma'am, should I
2:20.
start?
Wait. 2:30 we will start. We are giving some more time for that. Anybody getting stuck, you can discuss with each other. Mehran, Dhyan are already finished. Dhyan and Mehran, discuss what kind of questions can go. Quickly start interacting.
Ma'am, can I chat privately?
Privately, why? Chat and everyone. We are not going to. No problem. Chat with everyone. We are not going to ask you why are you doing it. You can chat with everyone.
Ma'am, I'm stuck here.
You have stopped sharing, okay. I'll open my slide. I'll also show you where are the general questions going. I'll open my questionnaire. Where I sent, Swasti told she didn't receive one, so I'm sharing my questionnaire.
Ma'am, I made the template already, ma'am. So I'm just noting my questions. I already have the template.
Okay. Frame your questions now. Very good.
Mehran?
Somebody's calling Mehran. Who? Arjun?
Yeah. Oh, no, nothing, nothing.
Okay, I'm sharing my questionnaire for your reference, children.
Ma'am, actually my question mark is not coming.
Why? What happened? Are you able to see my questionnaire, children? Mehran, are you able to see? Arjun, Vraj, Jay, Dhyan, Swasti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. Record your responses. You can also have questions like this, Mehran and others. Arjun, Vraj.
Yes, ma'am.
When you saw, give an incident to them saying, when you saw your favorite toy or sweet in a shop, did you openly ask your father to buy that for you? Or if it was PS4 or PC4, what is that?
It's PS4.
PS4.
You were scared. State the reason.
So if you had seen on PS4 and you asked your father openly now, will your grandparents have the same bravery to ask their parents? So you can have such questions. When you saw your favorite PS4, did you openly ask your father to buy you one? Or were you scared? Then state your reason.
Openly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, request. We do requests.
Request. Yeah,
Ma'am,
request.
I asked openly, but my
But
mother
to do
didn't
that
ask me.
request
But
also,
we don't.
but to do that request also, we were so scared. You know
No,
that?
ma'am. No.
We were scared. I was scared. Y'all are not scared. That's why freedom.
Actually,
That's why freedom then and now. That's why freedom then and now. Okay, start framing. Arjun, I don't see you writing. Arjun, I don't see you writing. Write fast, Arjun. Discuss and write. Discuss and write. Discuss and write. Yeah, children. Discuss and write.
Can I tell?
So can you see my question? So this is one of the questions I have framed. You can frame typical questions. Can somebody tell me one more question?
If you got hurt,
Okay.
would you openly tell your parents, or would you hide it in because they would ask you what were you doing that you got hurt?
Okay.
If you were doing something that you should not be doing and got hurt,
Yeah, that's what I'm
would you
writing.
tell your parents or would you not tell your parents about
Okay. Can I type it? Can you repeat the question? If you got hurt after you played cricket without your grandparents' permission, without your parents' permission,
that?
without
Would you ask your, would you tell your parents that you got hurt?
would you reveal? Shall I say? Would you reveal it?
Would you reveal that you got hurt because of doing
Reveal
something?
it to your parents, or would you be scared to reveal? Is that what is it?
Excuse me, Mehran.
Yes.
You can write your responses here. Okay.
Ma'am, you're draw. Oh, okay.
No, I'll correct it. If you got hurt after you played cricket without your parents' permission,
Excuse me,
would
Mehran.
you reveal it to your parents or would you be scared to reveal it?
What is the third question?
No copying. You need to frame your own questions, Arjun.
Oh,
Yes. Ma'am, I have framed.
You can discuss and frame, but Arjun, I don't stop you from there, but discuss and frame. Shall we go with the presentation or you want some time? See, it's already time.
just a second, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
need
this class
like
can be,
2 minutes.
ma'am, this class can we frame our questions and tomorrow can we show them?
Not framing them quickly. See, some of them have finished. No, we need to give them a chance. See, Dhyan is excited to share his questions. Mehran is excited to share his questions. So we should be giving them a chance. So Swasti, you continue framing your questions. It's okay. Start. Don't rely on somebody to frame questions. You can discuss. Children, you need to discuss. Otherwise they will get stuck, Dhyan and all, you need to discuss, Dhyan. Otherwise they get stuck. You need to help each other, You ask Swasti now. Swasti, you need my help? Dhyan, ask her.
I do.
Dhyan, I think you should be asking.
And but we have to make question by our own.
It's okay, you can help them, but isn't it? You can help them. कैसे लिखना है?
Then we have to only think in our mind.
So think for her as well. That is called as sharing, isn't it? Freedom to share, isn't it? That is also part of it. Yeah. Freedom to share. If Gandhiji had thought only I need freedom, today we wouldn't be sitting like this.
Yes.
So ask Dhyan, where are you stuck? I will help you.
Where are you stuck? In like in their time, what things that is like what they do in their free time or what they help other people.
Very good, very good. Swasti, see, is giving you hints. What did they do during their free time? Were they allowed to do anything what they liked during their free time? You can frame it like this, no, Swasti? Yeah? Were you allowed to do anything during your free time? There, are you there, Mehran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start with our presentation?
Yes. Ma'am, first who will present?
Yeah, see, I'm going to show you something. In fact, yeah, these are some of the sentences and answers elaborately to be asked. So, Vehran, I think you have such questions also. Not only the not only the optional ones, even the elaborate ones. See, that was what Dhyan asked.
Mama,
Where you
elaborate ones. I wrote only one of those, ma'am.
no, at least two, minimum two.
Ma'am, is one of the elaborated ones enough?
No, at least two. That's
Okay,
what I'm saying. At least two. Frame one more question. Dhyan also. Dhyan and Dey. Dhyan and Dey, why are you frozen there? Individually talking there in spite of being at home. Arjun ready? Vraj ready? Vraj is busy framing. Frame Vraj. Under each subheading, you can frame three questions, Vraj. Freedom of expression. Yeah. Where you allowed to express your choice of profession, choice of choosing something. Arjun, why are you on mute, dear? Arjun, are you there?
Not responding.
Arjun, are you there? Arjun, I don't see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
After your questions framing, send it to me, okay? Only the ones who have finished will present it now, but all the 6 of you will send it to info@egedu.com.
Okay, ma'am.
Take a recording with your grandparents and send it by today. At least one.
Okay.
One of your grandparents.
Ma'am, there's a problem. Ma'am, there's a problem with the recording.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the recording is much big for email to send.
It can be sent, dear. You can attach the mail. No problem. Or upload it in the drive. See, very cleverly, that day Dhyan has uploaded in the drive, I guess. Yes, Dhyan? Have you uploaded in the drive? Dhyan or Dhye? Somebody told me.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I take photo from my mother's phone in cam scanner
Okay.
and
Click
I have in
photos.
my gallery and I have sent you.
Okay. Take photos also and send it on the mail. No problem. When you're interacting, ask somebody else to take photos. Ask somebody else to capture the videos. Okay.
Yes,
Time's up. Time's up. We go with Dhyan first because Dhyan came inside the class completing his work. Dhyan, we go first with you, Dhyan. Yeah. Present your interaction questions with all of us. The others be ready. Listen to Dhyan now.
In your schooling, what subjects you study and what subject is your favorite subject?
Okay. What was your favorite subject? Okay.
Which game do you play in that time?
1 minute. So, what was the subject you study? How is that related to our freedom?
And because in school we have to study like most subjects. So favorite subject like choose.
Okay, what was your favorite subject? Fine, but where are you coming to now? I don't understand. Now, if your grandparent says my favorite subject was math, how is that related to freedom? Connected to freedom topic.
Freedom to choose.
Freedom to choose. Okay. Okay, so were you allowed to continue studying that subject when you were a graduate and all? Okay, okay. Then you need to reframe it saying, were you allowed to choose your favorite? Make a note of it, Dhyan. Were you allowed to choose your favorite subject? Were you allowed to choose your favorite subject? Were you allowed to choose your favorite subject during your graduation? Only one I'm helping you out. Okay, Swasti is stuck. See, I told you, that's why you need to help others. Mehran and Swasti, I think you need to privately chat now. Dhyan, you present it to the others. Swasti, you can approach Mehran there. Mehran is there. Mehran, would you like to help Swasti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Swasti, you can approach Mehran. Yeah, Dhyan, you continue with yours. Arjun, Vraj and Dhye, listen to Dhyan. Yeah.
Which game do you play in that time?
Yeah, I'm unable to see you. Keep the normal background, yeah. Which game do you
Play.
Ah, did no. Dhyan, everything is past. So do you play is now. So did you play? Which games did you play? Past.
And did you?
Did you play? Yeah, okay. Next. You're on mute. I can't hear you. Why do you touch that? Golden rule.
In which work do you help your parents?
Okay, very good. Very good, very good.
Then because they have to help
Yes,
each other.
yes. Did you help your grandparents in their work? Check your questions, okay, Dhyan? Last week we discussed about, did you help your grandparents in their work? Write it down. Did you help your grandparents? Did you help your grandparents in their work? I guess Mehran and Swasti are helping each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Mehran. Yeah. Did you help your grandparents in their work? Very good, Dhyan. Okay, that's your third question. What's your fourth one? Next, I'm coming to Dhye. Did you help your grandparents? Next question. Fifth question.
In that time, what is your means like in routine? What is your expression?
In your
Mood.
Pardon, in your
Means like ma'am, means in that time, in generally what expressions in that time was like happiness or sadness or
what kind of emotions then? Emotions. What kind of emotions
Yes,
did you
emotions.
express during your times? Yeah. So write it like that. What kind of? So why? What kind? Emotion means kind will come. Okay. Because you have two choices: sadness, happiness. What kind of emotions? Arjun, are you done with it? Have you finished yours? Simultaneously keep writing yours also, Arjun. Dhyan is writing, right? So you will also get a chance to present it. Arjun, don't forget, today your questionnaire should reach me. What kind of emotions did you express during your times? Good ideas, Dhyan. but try to frame your question. Okay, very good ideas. Huh? Tell me your question, Dhyan. Repeat that question. What kind of
what the E
emotions
emotions in
did you express
during what kind of emotions did you express in your time?
Very good, very good. Okay, your sixth question. Your sixth question, Dhyan.
Which means like which time you spend with your friends, to study or to play most time?
That you can ask them. Okay. Which time of the day you spent with your friends?
Yes.
Was it during study time or during the play time? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. तुम एक्सप्लेन करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? लाइक ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन टू देम दिस क्वेश्चन, नहीं तो दे विल गो विथ सम अदर आंसर. हाँ हाँ.
Yes.
Okay.
My grandparents know some English only.
Not English exactly, dear. What did I say? You can also interact with them in your own native language. गुजराती में बात करना है तो बात कर लो, ठीक है? But your response will be in English. You know English, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's your next question?
My next question is, when you do mistakes, what that called?
Say. Correct. Say.
What the result come?
When you did mistakes, what was the reaction of your parents?
Yes.
Right. When you made mistakes, correct. Very good question. Good thoughts, Dhyan. Very good. When you made mistakes, what was the reaction of your parents? Very good. Arjun, are you writing? I am seeing you. Or chatting with Dey. I can see Dey also not listening here completely. Vraj is writing, but Vraj? Yeah, next question. Dhyan, next question. Seventh one.
And this much only. I think I have written many questions, but I cannot find the page.
No, I told you 15. So most of you...
Yes, I have written.
No, dear. See, Dhyan, find out and I'll come back to you. I want another 8 more. I told you 15. You've given me only 7. 8 more. You have framed lovely questions, beautiful questions. You can do it, Dhyan. So frame some more. Freedom to believe in yourself. Freedom to share. Freedom to trust. All these we discussed, isn't it? Somebody will see. Remember, Mehran was telling, somebody will tell us that we will not be able to do something, but we should have the trust in ourselves and prove it to them that we will be able to do it. So those kind of questions, where are they, Dhyan? Yeah.
My neck is paining because of all that typing.
Okay. That's why I told you all, take time to do it when you're at home, leisurely you do it. See, today you had to sit in front of me and do it.
Can I take a small break?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yeah.
I will
We'll
make
take...
and I will send in chat.
You're going to send it in chat. Okay. Take a break and come back, madam. Yeah. Okay. Arjun, you go next. Arjun.
Ma'am, let me screen share.
Okay. 1 second. I need to go to stop share. Okay. Yeah, you can do it now.
Yes, ma'am. Share.
Ma'am, I've done 6 questions. I have some more.
How many are we supposed to do, Swasti?
Ma'am, 15.
Think. See, everything takes time.
8 more questions to go.
Oh, lovely. So you are really quick, Arjun. Okay. Yeah, Arjun, start.
My first question is when were you born?
Earphones near your mouth.
Ma'am, my first question is when were you born?
That's a general question for all of us. Okay, next.
Was in was India independent that time?
Oh, very good. Okay.
Were you allowed to get your favorite toy?
Okay, question mark. Where's your question mark? Your question mark
Ma'am,
here.
I tried, but my question mark was not coming actually.
Working over here. But later you need to add it. Make a
Yes,
note
ma'am.
of it. Yeah, Arjun. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, next, Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, Arjun.
Yes, ma'am. How did you interact to your toy?
How did you interact about your
No.
toy?
Ma'am, not that. Were you allowed to get your favorite toy? That is the.
Okay.
And the third, how did you interact of your toy?
Of your toy? What was that? How did that link to freedom?
Ma'am, it's like, were you allowed to play with your toy freely or like a little bit more time?
Okay. Did you have restrictions? Freedom of restrictions.
Yes.
We spoke about that.
Yes.
Restrictions. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So can we reframe it? Start
Yes.
doing it there only, Arjun.
Yes.
Did you have restrictions in playing with your toys? So I'm putting it on the chat. Did you have restrictions? Did you have restrictions in playing with your toys? Capital D. Okay. Restrictions. Okay. Okay. Restrictions. Okay. Next question. Did you have restrictions in playing with your toys or toy, whatever? Yeah. Don't forget your question mark and your capital letter. Your D, or I'll just type capital letters and question mark. This is general remark for all of you. Capital letters and question mark. Okay, next one. Next question, Arjun. Very good. Very good, Arjun.
That time.
Pardon, I can't hear you. Your headphone. Yeah.
Ma'am, the next question is which all subjects were that time?
Which were all the subjects existing during that time? Do you want to ask them that?
No, like it was, if that was like suddenly independent India, so were there any other subjects or that like wanted to ask?
During that, okay, if it was an independent India, were there?
Were there any other subjects? I wanted to ask like that.
Okay, were there any other subjects? Okay, fine, for them to discuss.
Yes.
Okay. Next one.
Were you allowed to choose your clothes?
Very good. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, these all are my questions.
Start framing some more. Start framing.
Mehran.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Your elaborate question, you have not come up with that. Your elaborate question, where is that?
Right.
Mehran, actually I've sent you a
Yeah,
message.
that is important. Okay.
Check that out.
Now coming to Mehran's presentation. Mehran, you start yours. Thank you, Arjun. That was really fine. Mehran, if you want, you can share your screen. Next, I come to Day. Day has to share.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
I don't have an account.
Ma'am, I framed some more questions.
Show it in front and then later from Dhyan's account you send it, okay? Don't forget it, Day. Yeah, Mehran, start. Share your questions and your elaborate question also. Finally, we go to Swasti and then Braj. Braj, I can't see you. Braj, where are you? Suddenly, Braj is not to be seen.
And he is in mute. But
Can somebody call Braj? I can't see. Mehran, you start. Yeah, start, Mehran. Beautiful questions from all of you. Very good. Mehran, you start.
These are my questions.
Yeah. What is your topic? You need to present it. How would you present it? You need to say, good afternoon, one and all. Today I am here to present the interaction, what I had with my grandparents, the freedom then and now. So start. How would you say, Mehra? Good afternoon, one and all. All of us should
Afternoon,
follow
one
this.
and all.
Steve Raj.
Today I am going to show you the questionnaire through which I am going to interact with my grandparents
Yeah.
on the topic freedom then and now.
Very good. Okay. Dhyan has to follow. Vraj, Arjun, same thing to be followed, Arjun. Okay, when you're presenting. Arjun, good afternoon, one and all. Today I'm here to share the questionnaire which I had done along with my grandparents, the freedom then and now. And also write the comparison. Don't forget the final comparison. Those times they had this, now we have this. That's your conclusion. Not only the questionnaire. What is your conclusion? Okay? Yes. Mehran, go.
Question number 1. Where were you born? Question number 2. Was India independent when you were born? Question number 3. Were you allowed to choose the subjects you wanted to study?
Check your capitals. Unnecessary capitals not allowed. Okay?
Question number 4. Were you allowed to choose your profession? Question number 5. Did you have the freedom to raise your voice against your elders' decision? Question number 6. Did you have the freedom to come and go as you liked? Question number 7. Did you have the freedom to voice up your opinion? Did you ever have an apparition but you knew it was a hallucination? Did you openly express
apprehension? 1 second. Apprehension. What is the meaning of apprehension?
Apparition, ma'am. Apparition is something
Okay,
that
okay.
is not real.
Okay. Did you have apparition? Okay, fine. According to you, I thought apprehensions. Fine. Did you have an apparition, but you knew it was hallucination? Okay. Hallucination. Did you openly express it? Okay. Fine. Good question. Next.
Did you have the freedom to ask your parents where you wanted to visit on an outing? If you were scared, state the reason.
1 minute. Where you ask your parents?
Did you have the freedom to ask your parents where you want to visit in an outing?
Okay, where you want to visit in an outing. Very good.
Have you ever found yourself in a situation in which someone was discouraging you?
Mehran, the second question. If you were scared about what?
If you were scared.
Very good. Oh, Vraj has completed. Okay, Vraj, I'm coming to you. Vraj, I'm unable to see you, but state the reason.
Have you ever found yourself in a situation in which someone was discouraging you?
Super. Very good.
Have you ever found in a situation in which someone was forcing you to trust or not trust someone?
Very good. Okay. What will be your conclusions, children? Your idea and thoughts in present day. My conclusion, last line will be my conclusion or my opinion, my conclusion from this interaction was all about, and then you start stating your opinions. Okay, Dhyan, what happened? Your questions are stopped there. Somebody is helping you. किसको देख रहा है ध्यान?
Oh, ma'am, my sister had come that in
Okay.
my mother's phone there.
Vraj, you can share your screen, Vraj. Okay, Dhyan, concentration here. Yeah, Vraj, you can share your screen. Vraj, then we go with Dhye. Or Dhye goes first. Dhye, can we finish with yours? Dhye, can we finish with yours?
one question.
Okay, do it fast. Vraj, start sharing yours. Vraj, are you there? Why is Vraj unable to hear me? He texted me that he told me, ma'am, I'm ready. In that time, farm, there are insects. Were you afraid of something? Dhyan, were you afraid of anything? State the reason.
Ma'am, in villages there was farms. So
Correct.
in
Were
farms
you
there are many
correct,
insects
dear?
who eat
Correct.
cows. So
Make it very.
from
Were you afraid of anything? Specify. Specify on what are the situations. Specify the situations and state the reason. Dhyan, there goes your question. Yeah. Where's Braj? Okay, Swasti will go with yours. Arjun, frame question. Arjun, elaborate question. Arjun joined late.
I'm not done, ma'am, with
How
my
many
15
ever?
questions.
Okay, how many ever you have done, you do it. Swasti. See, even Dhyan did that. Now he is sharing it on my chat. He's thinking and sharing more on chat. So how many ever you have done, you share Swasti. Okay. There goes Swasti. Very good, Swasti. Yeah. Oh wow, very neat. Super, super. Start Swasti. All excited to see each one's different presentation. Very good. Neat, neat. See, actually, Swasti, you should share it with others. You know what, Arjun, Day, Dhyan, Vraj and all, you should know. She came to this class. She learned how to insert table now and she has started doing it. What should we be doing now? What should we be doing to our friend now? She came to the class now. She started learning it now. She is presenting it. So as a friend, what are we supposed to do for Swasti? Very good, Arjun. Arjun got it. Yes.
Question number
Jan?
1. What is your full name? I don't know my grandparents' full name at all. That's
Okay.
why I have asked.
Okay. But you need to fill it up. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
That's why.
They
Were
are
you
coming
born
back to you.
during the independence struggle? Yes or no?
Okay.
Did you have the freedom to choose what you want, even if your parents are disappointed? I didn't finish the whole question. I was in kind of a hurry.
Okay. Okay.
But I want to fully write with your choice.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. There, I'm coming back to you. We are 2 minutes. Quickly, Swasti.
Uh, did you have the freedom to express your thoughts openly without being scolded at?
Very good. Very good. Very nice.
If you made a mistake, did your parents scold you?
Very nice.
Or did
Next.
they try? It's not complete either.
Okay.
This is
What
actually
did you?
supposed to be a yes and no question, or how okay, or this.
You can
How
elaborate
did
on
they
it.
make you understand? That's my other part. Okay, anyway. Were you allowed to befriend whomsoever you want?
Were you allowed to
Like,
give? Okay.
they don't tell you don't be friends with this person, don't be friends with that person.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Okay. Yeah, quickly. They.
Though
Good.
that's all, ma'am.
Yeah, but build on it, Swasti. Okay, build on it. Very good. Very good. All of you so far, superb. Last one is Day. I don't know where is Braj. Okay, Day, start. Quickly read
ma'am,
it out.
I have three. I have written three.
Oh, that's why I told
When
discuss.
you go a new city, you want to go in that city, but you have freedom to go in and change place.
Properly, Mehran. Yeah, yeah. There, can you repeat? You were.
Go a new city, a beautiful city, and you want to go in that city.
Okay, but did you have the freedom to go there?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good question. Good question. You wanted to go into
I
a new
finished.
city. Very good, very good. You wanted to go into a new city, but you were hesitant to go into that new city.
What?
But were you allowed to go? Correct? Ha, write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Should I type it for you? I'll type it for you.
Ma'am, class over.
Yeah, dear. Last child, isn't it? We should encourage him also, isn't it? Yeah.
Not class over.
Yeah, dear. Last child. We need to encourage him also. 2 more minutes. Yeah. Did you?
Did you have freedom to choose profession?
Okay. Okay, good,
Did you
good.
have choose to eat things?
What you liked. Very good. Huh. Good. Huh.
This part.
हाँ इतना ही 1 hour में 3 questions क्या हुआ दिए हाँ और भी लिखना पड़ेगा
फिर मैंने पीछे 2 लिख दिए थे
okay but you need to share it with me after you think and write children yes totally how many 15 plus 15 are we writing 15 plus 15 yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
15 or only 15 plus 15
15. I'm not writing 30.
almost
okay okay then what else are we supposed to write one or two
no I've written 9
okay
then
but you can share there
okay I'm sharing
uh,
what you have permission to go out anytime at any time
pardon I didn't get you yeah there
did you have permission to go out at any time
oh did you have permission to go at outside anytime okay okay one more thing there before you all finish I heard that few of you had a chat with somebody who was that somebody conversed with you on Saturday somebody spoke to you your voice is breaking Garima yeah if you can put it on the chat I'll be able to see you okay
Session now. Not they didn't have yesterday on Saturday. They have now.
We have one-on-one session with Sandhya ma'am now. Okay, Dey and Dhyan, you have a one-on-one session with Sandhya ma'am now. I think you need to stay back. Okay. Next week, by pardon?
so this session is today only
1 minute. Wait, children. Let me check. 1 minute. Okay. See, we are going to come back next week by 1 o'clock. We are going to come back. I'm not going to join at 1 o'clock. You can join. You all can converse. At 2 o'clock, I will join. Clear with that? Hello? Yeah, Garima? Dey and Dhyan, wait. Okay. I'll inform them. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Another link. Okay. Okay. See, Dey and Dhyan, you have a separate session. So all of us we are leaving now. It was a great session. I enjoyed. Just give me one word. How did you like this session, today's session? Yeah, quickly. All of
wonderful
wonderful. Okay.
I like this session and it was very wonderful. Bye.
Bye.
we have to stay
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Myron.
Nice.
No.
That's
You
how
can-
I'll say this session was nice.
Thank you.
I have to stay here
Not required, Dhyan. They have given you a separate link. You can join there. Okay. Bye.
where
They have sent it to you privately. Yeah, check it there. On the mail, should be on the mail or on the WhatsApp. Check it
okay
over. From there you join. Okay. Bye, Dhyan.
bye ma'am bye
Submit and help Dhyan. Okay, Dhyan? Help
Yes.
Dhyan. Okay. He doesn't have a private mail. So help him send that questionnaire to me. Both of you attach
ma'am
to
yes mail he has mailed that.
But help him a little.
112020.
Help him a little bit, okay? Also the photos. Photos, don't forget.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. See you. See you.